shot is what I'm here for. I'm ready. When you're downtown, when I'm around town, I'm ready. Girl, just let me know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miranda M, and if you're new, please don't forget to hit the like button. So we're back with another video, and we're gonna be doing a maintenance vlog. So I'm gonna be doing my maintenance vlog at home. Everything that I got from the drugstore. Basically, I'm gonna be doing my eyelashes at home, installing my wig, doing my nails from hands to toes, and basically filling my brows. So let's get to it. So I'm done taking a shower and I want to do my eyelashes and brows, but before that I want to do a quick skincare routine. So I got these two products from Bioderma. It's a serum and night cream. However, I like using this during the day because it really makes my skin smooth. So I'm just gonna go in with my serum real quick. And I actually love to mix these products all at once. Before I blend everything in, I just like to put them all. I'm also gonna use my Garnier. So I already have my lash kit. As you can see, I already used some of these. I don't have my tweezers with me, but somewhere in my drawer I'll look for them. I'll link all these products in the description and then you can find them there. So I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera because I don't think I've mastered doing eyelashes on camera. I don't know, I have to bend a certain way or I have to lay down for me to be able to do my eyelashes. So I'm definitely gonna be doing these off camera. So I'm done with my eyelashes and yo, I don't like how my bottom lashes came out. Like, it's really a mess down there. And I'm actually scared to take them off because I'm thinking it's gonna ruin my natural lashes. It's gonna peel off my natural lashes. So yeah, I'm just gonna let these be. They're gonna come off on their own, you know. Anyway, right now I need to get henna for my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are really a mess. So we need to fill in my eyebrows. So for that, I'm gonna be using these two products, henna and this eyebrow brush, to fill in my brows. I have this light and this mirror. It's actually a deco for the living room, so I'm gonna be using both of these. Then I'm gonna start by carving out my brows using the brow shaping, whatever it is. So I'm done carving out my brows, so this is where I'll be going in with my henna. Anyway, while this dries, I'm gonna start doing my hair. So let's go and fix my wig. So I'm gonna start with this wax stick and apply it on the hair. Thank you so much for watching my video.